The 12-month inspection should include the bayonet and stress collar along with the general inspection performed prior to each use and every 6 months. The bayonet and stress collar are housed in the spreader corner. In order to inspect the bayonet and stress collar, you will first need to disassemble the components. The first step is to remove the indicator flag, then you remove the cotter pin and washers, freeing up the cam plate. The cam plate can be lifted out of the way to get to the other components. After the cam plate is removed, loosen and remove the tensioner bolt. This will allow the key plate to be removed, then the bayonet can be unscrewed. Once the bayonet and stress collar are removed, you will want to inspect for any corrosion, wear, or damage. If they pass the visual inspection, you will want to move to thread inspection. To inspect the threads, you will want to use a go gauge. Spreaders manufactured from 2005 to date will use a 1.5 inch 6 2A and 2B set of gauges. The no-go gauge should not go in, and the go gauge should go freely and smoothly the entire length of the threads. Spreaders manufactured prior to 2005, the gauge is going to be a 1.5 inch 2A and 2B. The bayonet and stress collar will need to be replaced if there is any corrosion, wear, damage, or thread inspection fails. It is the same operation for the bayonet, except we are going to use ring gauges. The no-go ring gauge should not go on more than 3 turns. The go gauge should go on freely and smoothly the entire length of the threads. If the bayonet and stress collars pass inspection, they should be reassembled. When assembling, make sure to coat the threads with Loctite silver grade anti-seize. Then it will be just a reverse order of the disassembly. When you get to the tensioner bolt, you want to use Loctite 242 and you will want to tighten it to 25 foot-pounds. If you want more information about these products, you can visit our website at tandemlock.com. You can also reach us by emailing info@tandemlock.com or calling 1-800-258-7324.